Today's video, we are going to install our PLM vented splash shield into our 2024 Honda Civic FL5 Civic Type R. These cars are meant to be driven. You could be pushing higher power or higher boost like ours. We are pushing 533, or you could just be running stock but still spirited driving this car. These cars tend to overheat a lot. That being said, guys, we are going to install our PLM vented splash shield made out of aluminum. This is our stock or OEM splash shield, and as y'all can see, we have a lot of holes, which is good. These holes are just pretty much stuck in the middle, which all the air is actually coming out in the center section, and we don't want that. Here at PLM, or ours is going to be directed right away. So when the air comes out, it goes out in this way, and all these sections right here. So that's the difference between the OEM and also the PLM vented splash shield.
To remove these for the OEM, you just need two tools. You need a flathead screwdriver and a regular screwdriver. Now, to remove the OEM one, you simply just turn it. There is an arrow pointing which way to turn. You turn it, and then the clips just pop out like that. So there are about 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So we're just gonna do it real quick. And if you can see, we are missing one because yours will have it. We do not have it because we already took it off. And it's simple as that. You just turn and it comes off. Next step is to take apart the screws. So as you could also see, we are missing one in the front because we already took it off. Just unscrew this. Very simple. And just careful, watch your head, and then you just push back. It just comes off, and that's it. Very simple, 2 tools. To install ours, we provide new hardware, and so all you do is remove your old one. And it's very simple. All you do is, when you need a tool, you just push, and that's it. So if you come a little closer, I'll show you how to do it. So see this? You just push forward, and it comes off. Plastic thing in the way. That's it. All right, so once again, you just do this, you just push forward towards it, and it comes off. Very simple, very easy. These are the new ones, and we are providing these as well. So to install these is relatively the same exact way you take them off. You just push forward, and that's it. Reach back here, pull it back. And just again, to reiterate, make sure the top part is facing up inside the vehicle. So if I go over here, exact same thing, just like that. And this is something that you could totally do on the floor. Splash shield. And you lean it this side up first to line that up. Put it in the back. Line these up first on both sides. Then you just pull it down, and then ta-da! These reuse the OEM ones, so to the front is just the size using new hardware. You don't have to. Just go ahead and put them by hand first. OEM ones. You just put it back. Again, it doesn't matter which process you want to go, doesn't matter which one you want to install first. It's all the same. Just hand tighten is good enough. Don't need to over torque these. And that's it. And then you just take your 10mm and just go back and hand tighten all these. Again, don't need to over crank it, just hand tighten is good. Same on this side. That's it, and your installation is finished.
And there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed our very DIY test of our PLM vented splash shield. Now guys, if you drive your FL5 Civic Type R to the fullest, or how it's supposed to be driven, we would highly recommend here at PLM for you to get one of these. This is the simplest mod for you to help out for your car's cooling. We're going to leave a link underneath the description, or you can reach out to us at privatelabelmanufacturing.com or at sales@privatelabelmfg.com. We will go ahead and help you out with it. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is John. I will be your host. See you guys in the next one.